Hey everyone! Today we are building a dynamic calendar in Google Sheets. When we change the month or year, the calendar will be changed automatically, and we can put something into the calendar or use other functions to put things into the calendar, like task deadlines. So let's get started. We will put the month and year selection on the left and create calendar on the right. Let's type a month here. Then we put the year. For the calendar, let's list out Sunday to Saturday, and we make Sunday to be the first day of a week. Next, we create a date here. It's the first day of the month based on month and year above. And we can use the day value formula to formulate a date. Then we have to find out what day it is using the weekday formula. So it's 2, means it's a Monday. And let's double check. It's 2, Monday. So the first day of July will be here. And now in the first cell of the calendar, let's type this. Date minus the weekday of the first day of our month and plus 1. This will calculate the day of the previous Sunday. Then we simply use plus 1 to find all the days of this week. Now we have the first week in our calendar. Let's change the format. We choose to display the day only. Let's make the cell under a bit larger so we can put something into the days. And for the following weeks in our calendar, we can use plus 1 to fill out all days. Let's copy and paste. Now we have filled out all days for our calendar. Now let's put all rows the same width. Okay, now we are going to style our calendar. Let's make a classic one. You can give your own style if you want. And next, we want to hide all days that are not within the month. We can use conditional formatting. For the format rule, we use custom formula. We type equal month, and then we put the first cell of our calendar. It's D4. And we put less than, and then I'll select month. So any dates from previous month will be formatted in this case. Just to make sure to put dollar signs for absolute referencing here. Now for the formatting, we use color to hide the dates in the background. And it's done. We do the same to hide the dates that are in the next month. And same, we use custom formula in conditional formatting. And this time the formula will use bigger than. Now we hide the dates that are in the next month. And let's apply the conditional formatting to the week above as well. Now it's done. We also want Sunday to be in red, like a normal calendar. That's cool. Let's try different months to test the calendar. Nice. For the month, we can use data validation to make it nicer. Let's select a drop-down. The range will be the month from our previous lesson. and I choose arrow for display type. Okay. Now we can select month from a drop-down list. And we are hiding these days which are used for calculations. And now the dynamic calendar is done. We can put our schedules into the calendar, or use filter function to put data from other lists into our calendar. And this is for today's tutorial. And see you in the next one.